Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to untie plastic bags without struggling. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. We've all been there. You get a plastic bag, you tie it up in a knot at the top, and then when the time comes to untie it, it's really tough to do, so you just rip it open to get whatever you need from the bag. This is true with these types of bags, which I call sort of like grocery store bags or shopping bags, but it's also true with the clear plastic bags that you usually buy fruits and vegetables in as well. It'll pretty much work with all of the types of plastic bags. Now what you want to do is, instead of trying to hack away at that knot, you want to take each handle of the knot and rotate it, twist it in different directions. So this one I twisted towards the camera. This one I'm twisting away from the camera, okay? And what happens with plastic is when you twist it, okay, it actually hardens up. So it gives you some leverage power once you've twisted it. You don't need to twist the entire handle. You just need to twist up until where you're holding. Once you've done that, you want to push in towards each other. So push in, push the handles in towards each other, give them a little wiggle, and that's going to loosen up the knot. Oftentimes, you can then pull the knot out like this while still holding the plastic handles, the plastic bag handles, or you can release them, but the knot should be loose enough that at this point, you can just untie it, just like that. I have tied plastic bags so tightly to keep air out, and I've tried this method and it just continues to work. It does take a few tries to master, but once you've done it a few times, you should be good to go. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.